D&D maps are available to everybody for free. So here is a map under Dragons of Stormwreck Isle. It says animated, but I'm not seeing it animated. Start the session. So yeah, this is me clicking through, trying to understand it. So when I click Mushroom Cave, this works. We've got an Aarakocra Aeromancer that can move around even. I thought they might click to the 5-foot squares, but no. Alright, so what does this say? Because it gives the hit points. Add to encounter, that's when they're rolling initiative. Update the HP. View the stat block. Hide. Okay, have them jump out. Lock. Rename. Yeah, that's understandable. Border colour. Whatever. Oh, on top of the what it already had. And get red. So how's this? So if I type 25, do the damage. Yes. When it goes to half hit points, does it look blooded? No. That's a shame. Look at its stat block. It appears down there. Quite clearly modified. Like that. Little boxes for Arcana. Roll with advantage. Or just roll. Digital dice? Did I miss something? Nature perception. Roll. I must be blind. Am I not seeing it? I'm just not seeing anything when I click on that. What's this? Game log and dice. No, that's just where you... Well, where's all the answers? This is why I wanted to go on it, because I want to see how easy it is for an idiot like me. Guys, dice rolls will be visible here when available. Why are they not available in session? Okay, let's go down. Also, you can't see it, but clicking on a spell just took me to the D&D Beyond spell page. It took me off that. So that's a shame. It doesn't just say inside of this D&D maps bit. Ruler, it seems obvious enough. How far is that to there? Draw? Oh yeah, that's good. Erase. It's probably a back button, to be fair. Oh yeah, you've got your cones and stuff. That's good. I'll do like that. So there. Then do some area of effect like that. Yeah, that's nice. Token browser. Obviously they want you to put some money into it. How do you get rid of these then? Go out. There must be there an X. Yeah, there we go. Gone. Right, what's flummoxing me is the dice roll. So I'll go on here. Look at the stat block. Actions. This seems clickable. Sure, there's a digital dice roller. Roll with advantage. Nothing. Point and ping. Don't know what that is. Fog of War. That makes sense. Although I can't do it. Yeah. Okay. And erase. Alright, click roll to everyone. Does that do it now? Let's get out of Fog of War. Click this. Still no dice. Where's the dice? No, I don't know. So on this list, we only seem to have 2 things. Plus, add another map. Oh, so there are some maps. Quick play map. Okay. Dragon Delves. Oh, nice. Is this free? I clicked it. Oh, there. Get rid of this. Redwood Grove. Where is ours? Yes. Nice. Okay. And what about adding some players? Companions, monsters. So let's just add a Yeti. Oh, two Yetis. How do you... Okay, delete that. That's massive. Why is it... That's more than 4 squares, isn't it? Is it a... Oh, it must be... It's 3 by 3, Christopher. That's why. I mean, I like the fact that it's got the art on there, but it's... I don't know. I think maybe I'd get used to it. I'm just expecting to see dice roll when I click things. Right, I'm looking up on my phone. Someone's replied to somebody complaining about not seeing the dice. You can see everyone's rolls in maps. They're displayed in the game log on the right. Game log. There's no record of any dice being rolled in this game, is there? Roll to self, roll for everyone. Do I end the session? And now can I roll? Nope. So it's nice having the proper maps, but I kind of still prefer playing in person. But again, you know, doesn't everybody? What else have we got? Dragon's Lair? The DM version of a Black Dragon's Lair. Okay, I'll delete some of these. Open you up. This is a nice map. Very good. Goes 20 feet up. I add a monster. Or 2. Start. Okay, start combat. Okay, now we're in initiative. Places you in initiative. Why does it start them off the correct sort of place? Or is it, I guess it's up to you. It forces you to put them in the right place, does it? So if they were... This Aarakocra goes first. And open stat block further. Multi-attack. Click start the session. Maybe that helps. Well, I just can't work it out. It's not clear. There doesn't seem to be an obvious place to tell me what's going on. I just don't like it. I still don't like it. And I would much rather just play on a video messaging app and then point my camera at a physical battle map and say, look, you're here. But that's just me. If you play it, use it and love it, absolutely fine. You're absolutely right. But it's just not for me, whether it's free or not.